next job shop today, we would like to focus in on is a Konica Minolta award-winning feature called Mytab. This is used in the Konica Minolta PCL and PostScript print drivers. Now, if you've opened up and taken a look at our print drivers, I'm just going to open up here and take a look at our 364E PCL print driver. If I go into the Properties tab, you'll notice here that we have a very feature-rich print driver. We have Basic tab, which shows you all of these wonderful options on what paper sizes, what paper drawers, zooming, enlarging, collating, offsetting, what kind of output methods do we want to use. That's just under Basic. Now under Layout, we can do combinations, we can rotate, we can skip blank pages, we can do all these different things with our documents. Finishing, do I want to staple, do I want to hole punch, do I want to fold and staple, do I want to tri-fold? All these different options that we have. Cover options here. Do I want front covers, back covers, per page settings? You guys are getting the idea, right? Well, one of the things that we have the ability to do on our device is we have a tab at the very front of our print drivers called Mytab. This Mytab can be customized to the look and feel for each individual user as they use the print drivers. So if I had a customer that literally just did sort, staple, two-side, some hole punching from time to time, selecting what paper sizes and what paper trays they might want to use, I think going through all these tabs in our print driver might be a little daunting for them to get through. So we have the ability to customize a Mytab option for them. So let's show you how to customize this specifically for the look and feel for what we just mentioned. So if I go under Edit Mytab, open this up, you'll see I have a left-hand side and a right-hand side, and I can control what appears here. So we'll start on the left-hand side and we'll take a look at orientation. Do I want it portrait or landscape? Sure. Original size. That's important. 11 by 17, 8.5 by 11. Paper size. What paper size do I want it output on? That could be useful. But my output method, I'm really not going to use because I'm not going to use any secure printing or ID printing, things along those lines. So I can simply remove that from what I have. Now, on my left-hand side, I do print to a couple different paper trays because I have colored paper in my device and I use letterhead for my bypass occasionally. So I'm going to want paper tray to show up there, and I'm going to add that to my left-hand side. I'm now done customizing my left-hand side. If I want to come over here to my right-hand side and I look at, I have copies, offset, print type, staple, center staple and fold, and select color. Now when I look at this, I know my customer is very cost sensitive to color. So they're going to want that up at the top of this side, so I'm going to select and move that up. Now all these other options are great other than they don't make any booklets whatsoever. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the center staple and fold option for them from here. Now, they would like a hole punch option to appear on this side. So if I go under Finish at the top, I can select Punch, and I can drop that down on the right-hand side, and you'll see now I've added Punch. If I click OK at the bottom, you'll notice Mytab now reflects the feature sets that I just customized under Edit Mytab. So just to show you, I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to print this PDF file to my MFP. I also have a Word document open, so I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to do File, Print, and I'm going to go into my printer properties of that same 364E, and you will notice that my print driver settings under Mytab have now stayed completely customized to the look and feel that my user might want every single time. So please take a moment to talk to your customers about how they're going to mostly utilize their PCL and PostScript print drivers. If you take that time, you can customize and show them how to customize the Mytab option so they have a better and more favorable user experience with our print drivers. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time.